Sobrang Latina.
Sobra.
Here, of course, we wanted to live your thoughts about
A picture joke. I'm so excited. I mean, everybody works so hard for this. As in, hindi nyo lang alam kung gaano mahirap or gaano grabe pinagdaanan namin, lalo na naman sa ibang mga leads to make this happen. So I'm so excited for the people to finally see this product of love.
Sabado na ba? Sabado na for them coming
Hindi kasi ako mag-show tonight, kaya chill lang ako eh. Pero feeling ko tomorrow, of course, I'm pretty sure the nerves are gonna start to kick in. Baka nga di ako makatulog tonight.
So tomorrow pa na ang
Yes,
schedule.
tomorrow is my opening.
Sobrang kabado na. I've been excited at the
I'm trying not to let the nerves take over me. So I'm trying to be pretty chill, but I know na once I feel the vibe of the audience, magkaka-adrenaline rush na talaga tomorrow. But I'm just praying for the best, hoping for the best. I wish everything goes smoothly lang.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sana maka-watch kayo sa preview na.
Oh, nice.
3 p.m. Friday.
Yeah, Friday.
And ibang Alexa, makita nyo dito kasi sobrang hardworking siya. Grabe. As in, give na give.
Siyempre, dapat giving tayo.
Alright. One solo lang. Okay, the next year. Thank you. Angela. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Because that's how I treat my songs myself. Anyone who's followed me over the years knows that ako mismo, I change up the way I perform my songs. And that's really how I want my songs to be.
Kuya Cory, what are your
Diba
expectations?
masyadong distorted sa lapit ng
What are your
sa lapit ng camera.
What are your expectations? This is your first time to watch this.
Expectations. I have zero expectations. I'm just maybe looking forward to just hearing my songs in a different light.
Wow.
That's it. Parang I've played these songs over and over and over for a whole lifetime. I know them inside out. So I just want to hear them in a new light, yeah, in a new context. Yeah, just for a treat lang for me. Maybe I'll be inspired. Maybe I'll come out with new ideas after seeing how they treated my works.
Rico, what do you feel whenever people are saying or telling you na legend ka? Because, people are doing musical about you already.
I mean, I thought about that about a couple of years ago, what that means. And I don't see any practical use for it. It doesn't change my life. If anything, being called a legend only inspires a new young people, the ones who see you as a legend, because it gives them something to aspire to become or to attain. But for me, nothing changes. I'm still me.
We'll stay Cory.
Yeah, whether I'm called that or not, I'm just me.
What was your initial reaction nung nalaman mong gagawa ng music vlogging songs?
Well, I'd be lying if I said I was surprised, because there've been a few musicals already, really good ones, and my fans have been asking me when mine was gonna happen. So I wasn't surprised, but it was just more. I'm happy. I think I found the right group to do it. I mean, it's no shade to any of the other groups, but I don't know any of them personally. But when it's these people, Nine Words approach me and I talk to them, so it feels right. My thoughts, I feel that kind of thing happens to my songs. Liwanag sa Dilim has its own a life of its own, as you said, but so does You'll Be Safe Here. It was used several times in a series of, and a few other songs. how do I feel? I feel really happy because when I create these songs, I'm just thinking of the first version. So for my songs to have many more versions is cool. Yun lang, it's not so deep, but cool. That's cool.
Kuya, balikan ka namin mamaya. Reaction naman after watching it. Thanks, Kuya.
Just get a photo of you.
Hindi na ako doon.
Nandito na ako. Nakasama ko sa YouTube na. Okay, I'll go to the food. I'll go to the food.
Manila Sandor.
Hindi naman ko pinalo ba?
Kaya EBS.
Just